welcome to my channel. Here's an update on my brother's keeper. Umamchunu is sitting no Ndumiso. Ndumiso says that actually I don't understand why Baba would side with Umbulali. Athi Umamchunu nje indoda yami mina, the one I know, would have used all his connections to make sure that uNqubeko ends up in jail so that Thuthuka gets his justice. But lo mshengu lo hayi angimazi ngempela. Kahle kahle la ngisola uDoreen nje. This thing has Doreen written all over it. Athi uNdumiso, yeah, ngiyabonga ukuthi uyayibona le nto, which is why mina insulted uDoreen, because ngiyabona ukuthi she's the one influencing ubaba. And then Doreen goes to Sifakazile asking her to bring the kids over to her house so they can have supper together. 3 generations, the grandparents, parents, and the kids. And then Fazilo, but we used to doing those kind of things exhumayeleni. I'm teaching ngiyaqala mntanami because uNqubeko wants to forgive his dad, but then udinga usizo. So as the women in their lives, let's help them. And then bayeke kwaNqubeko, they're there kumnandi, they're playing games, they're talking about the past, all the good times in the past. And then uNqubeko tries to feed umntwana wakhe uNqobi doesn't want to eat. Athi Doreen, remember Nqubeko wouldn't eat also until Umshengu sings for him. And then they start singing the song that Umshengu used to sing for Nqubeko. So kumnandi bacula bonke, bayahleka. And then uMamchunu walks in. So babhizi bachubeka, they're singing, they can't see uMamchunu until Nqubeko sees her. And then ekhwaza Umshengu mathi uyabheka uMamchunu la. Hi, asmile ke uDoreen, happy that uMamchunu is bona lento eyenzakala-ke, happy family vibes. And then Umshengu athi, hey uMamchunu aphatheke kabi, aphuma ahambe. Umamchunu gets home, she's shattered, she's devastated. She looks over for something like in a tiny bottle. I don't know what it is. And then uKhathazile finds Ndumiso and Tidi sitting. She confronts them and says, Utidi is the one that's poisoning you and Ndumiso. Before I figure out when I wouldn't do this thing. So Tidi is the one influencing you. Athi Ndumiso, ungena aphi manje uTidi? Athi ngiyabona. When Tidi, do you know ukuthi Ndumiso does not own this place? This is Mshengu's place. Athi Ndumiso, khali isikhathula sami la size 10 wamase qha, ukhala size 8 kaMshengu, indawo kaMshengu le, wena an employee, usisebenzi. And then afika uDonga to try and help them resolve the situation. Hi uNdumiso ucasukile ubhizi ukhomba uKhathazile ngomunwe. Athi unkosikazi wakho bafo uyadelela, amvele ngizomkhomba, she's disrespectful, udelele noThidi. She can't talk to me like that. Azama uDonga ukuthi, guys, can you respect each other? Athi uKhathazile, you know what, inkinga la uThidi uyinkinga la. And then athi uDonga, okay, just to move forward then, can you please pay the rent so we can resolve this and move forward? Athi uKhathazile nje, I'm not going to pay rent and angiyindawo la. And then uThidi talks to Ndumiso and be like, how when I thought because you own on the rocks, athi it's a family company, it all falls under Shiba Snacks. Ubaba actually owns it, but then I run everything here. And so you see, that's not owning it. If you should get Shiba on the rocks 100% fully, you must pay your dad for whatever that he used to get you on the rocks. Make sure that it's fully yours. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.